Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add it and remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and sync. As you can see above it, we've got whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me enter, and here we have to tap on add account. Choose obviously Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Once more, a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now let me enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And now we can go back and go back again. And as you can see right here, we've got new section, the Google section, and that's the account we just added. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on more. Tap on remove account, tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will be immediately removed. But be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.